So I already finished draping the pattern on the dress form, and the next step is to transform this onto the paper. And when you make the pattern on the dress form, you need only one side, and then when you transfer this onto the paper, you just flip it, you just mirror it. That way it's just a lot more accurate than trying to make both sides even by hand, unless your design is asymmetrical. That way you need to make both sides, but this will be symmetrical. So let's transfer this onto the paper. First, we will take the pins off the draping pattern slowly and carefully because we don't want to stretch the fabric. I used muslin fabric for mine. Also make sure you mark everything you need before taking it off the dress form. Next, prepare the paper that we will transfer the draped pattern onto. Then after that, lay the muslin pattern onto the paper. The key is to make both the paper and the muslin as flat as possible. One trick you can do here is to press the muslin with low heat to help flatten it. After that, check all the seam lines and smooth all the curves using a French curve so that there are no bumps between the lines. Then I used carbon paper to transfer the muslin pattern onto the paper. Also make sure you trace all the markings, whether it's pattern name, gray line, notches, anything that you need on your pattern onto the paper as well. Next, add seam allowance around the seam line and then cut along the seam allowance line. And now we have the paper pattern that transferred from the dress form.